What if I told you that in 2025, you could edit videos like Hollywood, write books in a weekend, design ads in minutes, and even get college-level research done, all for free? These aren't just cool toys. They're AI tools that can make your work twice as fast and 10 times easier. And today, I'm not just listing them, I'm showing you exactly how they work, step by step, with real-life examples. This video is best for those who are interested in learning AI through practical usage of AI tools. Some of these you've heard of, most you haven't, and number 17 might just replace your favorite design app forever. Links are in the description. Let's go. ChatGPT OpenAI. Purpose, writing and content creation, learning and research, coding and debugging, idea generation, and productivity automation. Why it's useful? It helps you write, learn, code, brainstorm, and organize tasks faster and smarter. Practical usage: 1 minute, 15 seconds. I'll type, write a 5-minute YouTube script on morning productivity hacks in a friendly tone. In seconds, a complete script appears. The content quality and information in it is amazing. Moreover, it can be further improved by asking so. It can be recreated for different purposes and for different styles and format. ChatGPT creates content immediately without wasting of time and in accordance with the prompt. That's your Swiss Army knife of AI. But if you want real-time, source-backed knowledge, the next tool is unbeatable. Google Gemini AI Studio. Purpose, writing, research, coding, idea generation, and data analysis. Google AI Studio is also used for text-to-speech, text-to-image, and learning through screen-sharing features. Why it's useful? It boosts productivity, creativity, and decision-making across multiple tasks. Practical usage: in AI Studio, I'll type generate Python code to scrape trending YouTube videos. Boom. Ready to run code appears. Inside Google Docs, I can say, summarize this report in 5 bullet points. Instant. Now for the AI that's basically Google search, but with steroids and with proof. Perplexity AI. Purpose, real-time, source-backed AI search. It's useful, gives you verified answers plus clickable sources instantly. Practical usage: 1 minute. I'll ask, summarize the latest EV battery breakthroughs in 2025 with sources. It gives me a clear summary plus clickable citations. I can export sources into a doc for my research, or ask follow-up questions without starting over. Perfect for deep dives without endless Googling. Research done. Now let's make your visuals look like they came from a pro designer in minutes. Canva AI. Purpose, graphic design, AI image generation, video creation, and presentation design. It's useful. Canva AI is useful for all-in-one, easy-to-use platform. Practical usage: 1 minute. I'll choose Instagram post and type promote a coffee shop's new caramel latte with a cozy vibe. Canva generates polished designs instantly. I can one-click resize for other platforms, or use Magic Edit to swap elements like changing a coffee cup into a smoothie for a summer promo. Design is sorted. Now let's make Hollywood-style videos without Hollywood prices. Runway ML. Purpose, AI-powered video editing. Why it's useful? Complex edits in minutes. Practical usage: 1 minute, 10 seconds. I'll upload a video and use remove background, no green screen needed. Then I type futuristic city at night, and it creates a cinematic clip. I can remove unwanted objects from a video in seconds, or extend a clip seamlessly without reshooting. From moving pictures to stunning stills, game devs, you'll love the next one. Leonardo AI. Purpose, AI art creation, character design, game asset generation, concept art, and high-quality image upscaling. It's useful, high control over style and detail. Practical usage, 1 minute. I'll prompt Fantasy Forest Village at sunrise, ultra detailed. Leonardo delivers art in seconds. I can train it on my own style so every output matches my brand, or batch generate multiple variations to find the perfect one. Now for the AI that can tweak your art down to the smallest detail. DALL-E, OpenAI. Purpose, text to image with editing. It's useful, easy customization of visuals. Practical usage, 1 minute. I'll create a winter cabin in snowy woods. Then with in-painting, I'll add a glowing campfire outside. I can erase and replace any part of an image, or upscale for print without losing quality. From images to documents and slicing through hundreds of pages in seconds. NotebookLM. Purpose, summarize and explain documents. It's useful, turns long reads into short insights. Practical usage, 1 minute. I'll upload a 50-page PDF on renewable energy. NotebookLM summarizes it in 3 points, then answers detailed follow-ups. I can upload multiple docs and get a combined summary, or use it to generate quiz questions for study prep. Speaking of capturing info, the next one records and organizes every word you hear. Otter AI. Purpose, real-time transcription and summaries. It's useful, captures spoken content automatically. Practical usage, 1 minute, 10 seconds. I'll start a live recording. Otter transcribes as I speak. When done, it makes a summary and action list. I can sync with Zoom to get meeting notes automatically. Or search past transcripts by keyword to find quotes instantly. Once your words are captured, why not turn them into professional voiceovers? ElevenLabs. Purpose, realistic AI voice generation. It's useful, pro-quality voices in seconds. Practical usage, 1 minute. I'll paste "Welcome to today's episode" and pick a warm, natural voice. Done. I can clone my own voice for brand consistency or generate multiple characters for storytelling projects. Now for the AI that creates images directly inside your favorite social apps. Meta AI, Imagine. Purpose, AI image generation, animation creation, and style customization for producing creative and high-quality visuals. Useful, no separate software needed, easy to use. Practical usage, 1 minute. I'll type inside Instagram chat /imagine cozy reading nook with warm sunlight. Images appear instantly. I can tweak styles without leaving the chat, or use it for quick replies with visuals that stand out. But if you want full animated videos without animation skills, meet this next tool.
Number 12. Animaker. Purpose, easy animated video creation, variety of templates for explainer videos. Why it's useful? No animation experience required. Practical usage in 1 minute, 10 seconds. I'll pick a character template, paste my script, and Animaker lip syncs automatically. I can add charts, sound effects, and branded colors in minutes, or export square, vertical, and horizontal formats in 1 click. Now let's turn long videos into viral-ready short clips automatically. Number 13. Pictory AI. Purpose, text-to-video creation on 1 click, video summarization and repurposing. Why it's useful? Makes short clips from long content and creates text-to-video with voice for quality videos. Practical usage in 1 minute. I'll upload a 15-minute interview. Pictory finds the highlights, adds captions and formats for social media. It removes filler words automatically, or I can brand all clips with my logo in seconds. Next is Microsoft's built-in AI that works inside Word, Excel, and Outlook. Number 14, Copilot, Microsoft. Purpose, code generation, bug fixing, code explanation, learning new programming languages, and boosting developer productivity. Why it's useful? Boosts productivity in familiar apps. Practical usage in 1 minute. In Word, I'll say, summarize this in 3 bullets. Instant. In Excel, highlight all sales above 10K. Done. I can auto-generate PowerPoint slides from a document or draft meeting follow-up emails instantly in Outlook. From office work to idea organization, this next AI keeps your brain tidy. Number 15, Notion AI. Purpose, AI and Notion for writing and organization. Why it's useful? Combines notes, tasks, and AI. Practical usage in 1 minute. In my meeting notes, I'll say, summarize and assign tasks. Notion AI creates a clean list instantly. I can use it for blog outlines or turn brainstorming notes into a structured project plan. From organizing notes to transforming photos, let's make every picture stunning. Number 16, Picluma AI. Purpose, text to image creation, image editing, canvas extension, quality upscaling, and colorization and remixing. Why it's useful? Image creation enhances, restores, and stylizes instantly. Practical usage in 1 minute. I will paste a prompt for creation of an image of a couple sitting in the garden and children are playing there. They are looking at each other. Within few seconds, it created the desired image with excellent accuracy and best result according to prompt. Now, which creates quick pro-level designs without heavy software? Here's your tool. Number 17, Adobe Express AI features. Purpose, fast graphic and video creation and animation. Why it's useful? Adobe quality made simple. Practical usage in 1 minute. I'll make a prompt for creation of a logo design for Stickman Uplift and provide basic information for creation of logo, design style, color scheme, and other relevant information. It has created a logo for Stickman Uplift. It was really amazing. From design magic to brain power, meet the AI that solves problems step by step. Number 18, DeepSeek. Purpose, AI-powered search, data analysis, research summarization, and code generation debugging. Why it's useful? Transparent, accurate reasoning. Practical usage in
DeepSeek is efficient in writing code. I will write a prompt in the search bar of DeepSeek to create a modern, visually appealing, one-page website for a fictional graphic designer and video editor named John Doe, who has 3 years of professional experience, is proficient in all Adobe Creative Cloud software, Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, After Effects, etc. The DeepSeek will build the desired website within few minutes, first explaining its thinking and then writing HTML code. We can run the website in the DeepSeek to see its features, having realistic qualifications, a professional bio, skills list, portfolio highlights, work experience, and testimonials.
Number 19, Kaiber AI. Purpose, video generation from text or images. Why it's useful? Cinematic effects from simple prompts. Practical usage in 1 minute 10 seconds. I will upload an image of a couple sitting in the garden looking at each other, and children are playing in the garden and asked to create a video clip of it. Kaiber AI will immediately create a video clip where children are running and playing and couple is looking at each other. Kaiber converted still image into a video according to scene requirement as prescribed in the Kaiber AI prompt box. It is really wonderful for animation. Finally, a thoughtful AI that can handle massive amounts of text in one go. Number 20, Claude AI Anthropic. Purpose, long-form, safe AI conversation. Why it's useful? Processes huge text inputs with deep reasoning. Practical usage in 1 minute. I'll paste an 80-page ebook, ask for a 1-page cheat sheet. Instant. I can use it to summarize legal contracts or to compare multiple reports into one analysis. Conclusion. That's 20 powerful AI tools you can start using today, all free. Each one can save you time, boost your creativity, and take your work to the next level. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to make you unstoppable. Which one will you try first? Start practicing one by one and let me know how amazing they are. Please like, share, and subscribe to watch more such useful video for learning AI with Career Animation.